Alright you guys, this is Loser Person 2006 coming at you with another unboxing video, and today I picked up Hetalia Season 2 Axis Powers. As you see, the allies are on the front cover this time, so it's pretty cool. Make pasta, not war. This is the last thing I pick up for the month of October, and I will do my Sustain the Industry video on Halloween, because it's the last day of the month. The month of October was pretty expensive, but November looks like it's going to be pretty hectic as well, because since Birdie the Mighty Deco got pushed back towards the end of November, I gotta pick that up, as well as Girls of Bravo, Sakurai, the complete collection. I got Zammed Part 2 coming out that month as well, and I think that's it. I really can't remember what else I really got pre-ordered, but yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna try to. Oh yeah, Case Closed. The movie 3 is being re-released, so I'll pick that up. But yeah, other than that, that's it. Nothing but things on here. Funimation Fill Me Out thing. Of course, you get a bandana with all the axes. It's pretty neat. Back cover, front cover. Guess I'll put everything in here since. Well, I'll show you how the inside looks too. This one. This two. Just extras. Nothing too special. Just what's it say on the back of the box? 4 commentary tracks, episode 31, Texas song and trailers, second disc. Nothing really that big. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm about to go watch this. So yeah, this is my unboxing video. Pretty quick, short. Take a look at how it looks again. Front box. Behind it. Nothing really inside the box, but and bandana. Alright, this is Loser Person 2006 saying deuces, you guys. So, see ya. Please check out my other unboxing videos. Rate, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. See ya.